Heck, let's do question 72. Refer to the scatter plot alongside that looks at the correlation between the students' mathematics and science results. Answer the questions that follow. Write the line of best fit for all these points. Here's an equation of y is equal to a plus bx. Will the value of b increase or stay the same if t is removed from the data? Explain. Right, this is the line of best fit. This is the equation of our line of best fit here. So we must know that this equation is in the form of y is equal to, let me just write like this, y is equal to c plus mx. Okay, we know that the equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c, isn't it? So it means b, just like m, represents what? The gradient. B represents the gradient. And then A is the y-intercept, just like the C there. A is the y-intercept. So now we have the outlier here, T, this T here. Okay, what does it do to the data set? It means it is pulling the data set towards itself, isn't it? Right. So now, if it is removed, what will happen to the gradient of the line of best fit here? What will happen? You see that if t is removed, it means the gradient is going to increase. The gradient is going to increase. You see that? Because now if it is there, it is pulling the data set towards itself. You see that? But now if it is removed, the gradient is going to increase. So meaning that B, since B represents the gradient, B is going to increase if t is removed. Okay? Right, that's how you're supposed to answer this question. Thank you.